Thank you, Chennai Hair Factory. I'm loving my hair. Look at this hair. Just look at this hair. I've been rocking this hair for like over a year now. This hair doesn't shade, it doesn't tangle, very soft. I only add water on this hair and I'm good to go. The service is 100%. I love my hair. Look at this hair. When I go out, I always have a super lot of compliments about this hair. This hair is 100% virgin temple hair. Look at this hair. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just, this hair is super beautiful. Oh my God. So beautiful. Thank you, Chennai Hair. I can't wait to order my straight hair. Yeah, this is the hair.